whenever you would like to grow a business, you're now going to expand from the vertical income to the horizontal income. Dadami na yung income mo. And one of the horizontal income stream is either pwedeng sari-sari store para makover yung mga household gastos ninyo. Huwag lang kayong kukuha lagi ng mga pinanggagamit nyo sa bahay sa tindahan. Kailangan naka-accounting yan. Pwede ring printing business. Malapit ka sa school, walang printing area dyan. Then you can have, pwede kang bumili ng 3 printing machine. Okay, pwede naman siyang i-refill ng mga refillable ink. Therefore, hindi siya kasing mahal ng mga unang panahon. You can have a printing business. Okay? Number 3, next step is start small. Alam mo, may tinatawag tayong model, no? Whenever you would like to grow a business, ang business development po, may mga chine-check yan ng mga bagay-bagay.